Welcome back. Since our last video, I've coated the outside aluminum trim with black and installed it with stainless steel screws. I also installed the 4 posts that lift the top. So the top is now ready to be rebuilt. And you can see in these views that I've painted most of the interior white. It makes it look bigger on the inside. I'm going to use some various pieces for color contrast, so it won't be blindingly white when it's all finished. After the cabinet doors were painted and dried, I installed the RV cabinet locks. 1 button push to lock and unlock cabinet locks, and they're made specifically for RV use. After the cabinet locks have been installed, it's time to install the doors on the cabinets. Next, I wanted to install the countertops. So I put some adhesive around the tops of the cabinet, and I'll lay the cabinet top on it with some clamps and weights to hold it down while the adhesive sets. This countertop had been test fitted many times before I decided to finally glue it down on top of the cabinet. I let the adhesive set up with the clamps and the weights overnight so that the countertop would be good and stuck down to the cabinets. And you can see the contrast between the dark stain and the white paint. It looks really slick. I also reinstalled the refrigerator, and you can see how it fills up that side of the cabinet. And this is how the push button RV locks work on the cabinet doors. You push 1 time to release, and you use the knob to pull it out, and then you push it in to lock it in place. Both cabinets have the same lock on them. These are oak countertops, and the doors are made out of pine. We had to get the countertops installed permanently before we could install the bed slides. So that's what's next, is the bed slides. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I've got more to come.